Good morning, all the students. How are you? I hope you all are best and fine. Now we are going to discuss about our acids and bases. In that one very important concept that is only about what is the common property there in our acids and as well as the bases. Acids and as well as the bases. What is the common property there in acids and as well as bases? Okay. Yes. Yes, our friends may have to join in 1 minute or in 1 or 2 minutes. Wait for it. Yeah, students, already yesterday we are discussed some particular points now. What is that? Especially we are taken whatever our metal oxides are there, that metal oxides are combined with acids. Yeah, that is only I want to go for it. Actually, metal oxides are may have possibility to combine with bases. Yeah, there is a metal oxides. When you take a metal oxide, that metal oxide is a possibility to combine with the bases. Okay, I hope you are understood, all the students. Whatever the metal oxides you take here, that metal oxides are combined with our bases. No, it is not have a possibility to that. Why? Because suppose when you take a metal oxide like a copper oxide is a combined with our which one? Our acid. It will be gives what actually copper chloride plus water. It is a provide copper chloride plus water. You know very well about this thing, all the students. Yeah, there is it looks like what saying like this. What is that? One basis. Suppose NaOH is a combined with what actually HCl. It gives the NaCl. Okay, plus what? Water. Once compare these two equations. What is there here? The copper oxide is combined with HCl. It formed as one of the salt and as well as the water. Salt and as well as water. Clear or not, all the students? It is a combined with our metal oxide. It is formed as the salt and as well as the water. Same as what actually? Same as our which one? One acid is combined with the basis. Got my point, all the students? Yeah, what you they both are these equations are approximately they are equal. Okay, now approximately this is called they are in equal manner. So here the copper oxide is taken as what actually the copper oxide is taken as the copper oxide is taken as it is taken as basis. Clear or not, all the students? It is taken as the basis properties. It exhibits the basis properties. Okay, clear or not, all the students? And now there is one more thing. When you take a non-metal oxides, non-metal oxides, what is that non-metal oxides? Yesterday we are taken here. Yes, calcium hydroxide is combined with carbon dioxide. Calcium hydroxide is combined with carbon dioxide. It gives rise. What it gives rise? It gives calcium carbonate and as well as the water. Calcium carbonate and as well as the water. Here it is also one such type of a salt only. It is also one such type of a salt only. Okay, and as well as the water. Yes, these equations are one basis. Yes, combined with acid. It is gives as what actually salt and as well as water. Salt and as well as the water. Here it will be contains as what actually here there it is taken as. Yes, it is taken as what? It is a basis, you know very well. Then it is become what maybe? It is become maybe acid. And that's why only you get the salt and as well as the water. May it is neutralized. Okay, clear or not, all the students? That is only we have to take here. Yes, when you take a calcium hydroxide, it is a what? It is a metal oxide. It is a which one? It is a non-metal oxide. This non-metal oxide is combined with the carbon dioxide. Okay, now it will be formed as a calcium carbonate and as well as water. It is a main salt here. Okay, it is a salt. That salt is formed with the water. Okay, yes. Board is not clear. There is a my side, there is no problem. Once check your side only. Yes, my side it is appear very clear. Yes, on my screen. Just once check your network. Otherwise, the quality of the board. Everyone is have this problem. Students, everyone is this is a problem. Okay. Now some members have said okay. Somewhat no, somewhat yes. So it is not my problem. Okay, once check your side. Yeah. There is a, when you take calcium hydroxide and it is combined with carbon dioxide, yes, it's a base. Calcium hydroxide is a base, and it is a what actually? It is a base. It is a what formed as a salt and as well as the water. Yes, this is a one type of a neutralized reaction or not? This is a one type of a neutralized reaction only. Yes, that's why what we are expecting here, there is a, when you take a metal oxide, it is a combined with acid. The metal oxides are combined with acids, it's a formed as a salt and water. And when you take non-metal oxides, it is a combined with the water, it is a formed as, it is gives as a products. What here? Salt and water. Once check it out, what is the common thing is there here? Yeah, there is a, when you take a base and add with the acid, that is gives as a salt and water in the neutralized reaction, the same thing will be there. Okay, now that is only metal oxides combined with, yesterday I have given this homework. How many members are completed? Yes, completed or not all the students? Yes, they write like this. Already I am given, that is only the as homework. Yes, you write the generalized forms of every equations. Here, what we are taking, metal oxide is combined with what actually? Base. Any base. It is possible? It is possible? It is not possible. Why? Because it is not possible. Why? Because it is not treated as a our chemical properties of our base. Why? Because the metal oxide is only the base. Metal oxide is only the base. It is not a react with the another base. Okay, clear or not all of you? And it is a contain. Suppose it is react with acid, it gives the what? Salt and as well as the water. Okay, when you take a non-metal oxides, what will be good for us? When you take a non-metal oxides, what will be good for us? Here, when you take here, non-metal oxides are combined with the bases. It is a gives as a salt and as well as the water. Then, once recall our neutralized reaction. What is the neutralized reaction of there here for us? Maybe acids are combined with the bases. It is what actually gives as a salt and as well as water. Clear or not all the students? Now automatically what you are getting from this general forms? Yeah, these equations are equal to one another. Clear or not all of you? Yes. So in case there is a metal oxide is there, it is a become bases. Here non-metal oxides are becomes acids. Like that you conclude it. Understand all the students? Why? Because we are getting the products as a salt and water, same as neutralized reaction. Clear or not all the students? In this way, the question may be asked like that. One of the student may ask what Reshma, I hope. One of the student is asked the question, very good question. Yes, yeah, Rashmi Sharma, very good. Here already it is given in our textbook. Yes, there is everywhere. Suppose you take a our metals are combined with acids and bases, and as well as there is you take here there is whatever our carbonates and hydrocarbonates are may also we are taken, and in this every reaction we are taken acids and bases both. But in this especially when you take here oxides, metal oxides or non-metal oxides, we are sometimes we are taken acids only, sometimes we are taken bases only. Why it is? Why? Because that oxides are only some works as a basis or otherwise depending on the metallic and non-metallic natures. Yes, somewhat acid, somewhat basis. One more important question may also may came from students. What is that? Sir, how can we find the salt nature? Already so many times I am demanding this information. It is a very important to you. Why? Because yes, we have indicators. How many types of indicators? How many types of indicators are there? Tell me how many types of indicators are there, students? Write in chat box. How many types of indicators are there? Yeah, about the strong acids and strong bases we discuss later. Yeah, there is a different type of indicators, especially in our laboratory purpose we are used as mainly the three indicators. One is the litmus paper, another one is the phenolphthalein solution, another one is phenolphthalein solution, another one is what? Methyl orange. Especially it is a totally as per the your concern there is a natural and as well as the synthetic. There is a two mainly. Again it is a classified. Yes, mainly in our laboratory purpose we are contain how many types of indicators. There is a totally three types of indicators we are regularly used in our laboratory. One is litmus paper. Another one is methyl orange. Another one is phenolphthalein solution. Okay, clear or not? Here there is acids and bases, and as well as there is when you take here our salt. How to be recognized? The three things are given at a time for you. There is only a blue litmus paper is there only with you. How to recognize it? It is possible to recognize. The solutions are looks like in same manner, same color, colorless solutions are given. Yeah, suppose you take here HNO3 or H2SO4, they have a colorless manner only. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes? How? Tell me. There is a what? Blue litmus. Once you, in case you take an only blue litmus paper. Yeah, it is a convert acid into, for acid it is a convert into red color. There is no problem. Acid is a convert into red color. And suppose you take here basis, the blue litmus is remained as a blue, you know very well. When you take salt here, there is a confusion will be get for us. There is a no change in the blue. There is whatever the solutions are there in a basis mode and as well as the salt. Okay, acids are recognized by us, there is no problem. We have only blue litmus, there is no red litmus, there is no phenolphthalein, there is no methyl orange. How it is possible? Like that. There is a what here? Whatever we are taken, that a blue litmus, it is not recognized our acids, it is not recognized basis and as well as the salt. What is the difference is there? It is not given for us. Clear or not all the students? And in case only red litmus is there, not a blue litmus. Only red litmus is there. May it is recognized basis. It is not have a difference between the acids and as well as the bases. It is not given any difference between acids and bases. Got it? And then come to here. Yes, suppose you take a phenolphthalein solution. Suppose you take a phenolphthalein solution. It is recognized all the things? No. There is may it is recognized basis. Why? Because it is a convert, the basis solution is a way convert. When we add the phenolphthalein drops to it, it is a convert into pink color. That's it. Got my point or not, all students? Yes. Only the things here, there is a phenolphthalein solution and only blue litmus or only red litmus is there. It is not possible to give all the three bases, salt and acids information. Only one, either may base or may acid. About somewhat confusion is getting for salt and or otherwise a base. When you take here blue litmus, when you take acids, when you take red litmus, it is may somewhat confusion is getting for us in acids and salt recognition. And as well as when you take a phenolphthalein solution also, at that time also, there is also we get somewhat confusion. Why? Because our solution already is colorless. And when we added the phenolphthalein, acid is become colorless. And as well as our salt is also not reacted, it is also colorless. Then how to find it? It is also problem for us. It is also not have any clarity will be get for us. Okay, then when you go for our methyl orange, it is a better thing. Methyl orange. Why? Because we have to take methyl orange. Yeah, there is methyl orange is have the property to respond both acids and bases. Okay, clear or not all this one? Both acids and as well as the bases. Okay, yes. When you take acids and as well as the bases, there is acids are taken for methyl orange. It is converted into which color? Red color. Already we are discussed. Jugglers or otherwise black magic, who made the black magic, they used this methyl orange. By that only they get somewhat blood from the blood color, liquid from the lemon. Okay, clear? That is already you discussed. That is a red color. It is converted to red color. Which one? Acid is converted to red color. And as well as when you take a methyl orange basis, it is converted to yellow color. Yellow color. There is when you take a salt may not have change. From this one we are get the clarity. Methyl orange is a better for us. Okay now. Yes, for the finding the which one is the salt solution, which one is the base solution, which one is the acid solution. Okay, clear or not all of you students? Yeah, it is a very important. The question is also given in our textbook also. There is a 3 test tubes are given in a page number 39 it will be there. In a page number 39 it will be there. Yes, once check it out. Yes, the questions are there. Think and discuss concepts. And as well as about carbon dioxide, the gas is also there inside it. Got it? This is only the information about our indicators. Yes, and as well as the chemical properties of acids and as well as the bases. Mainly, you compulsory. The first part of our lesson is completed now. There is a totally our acids and bases are may have to divide into 3 parts. Yes, for the reading purpose, you have to divide 3 parts. First part is about carbolic acid. Carbolic acid. Yes. Carbolic acid. This is only carbon dioxide. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, the carbon material is combined with acids. There will be get somewhat carbolic acids. There is about these things we discuss later on. Yes, once you take it out, our whatever the cool drinks you have take here, somewhat acidic natures are there. Why? Because there is once you are check it out. The ad of Sprite, otherwise Coca-Cola, or otherwise there is whatever your Pepsi, like the things once you are check that ad otherwise on the bottle, what they written on that one, it is carbonic water. That all the things are what? Carbonic waters. Means what? They contain carbonic acids. Okay, that is all. About the carbonic acid we get later, as there more explanation is required for it on pH scale. Okay, we'll go with the latter. Yes, yeah. What is think and discuss the whole point? Yeah, Sorry student, just with me not there. That what is the third point? Can you give the Rashmi Sharma? Please give the third point. What is the third point is there? Yeah, calcium is react with the HCl. Calcium is react with the HCl. Yeah, it is a react with the HCl. Calcium hydroxide or calcium hydroxide or react with the equation. If one compound is a calcium chloride. Yeah, it is there now. In our further topic, it is there. HCl gas may evolve for us. About that HCl gas evolving and everything will be there. Okay, on the basis of pH scale, we have to go to discuss about that. Yes, just a minute. Yeah, students, already we have discussed that point. What is there is whatever when you check it here, there is a calcium hydroxide. Here the calcium compound is reacted with the HCl. The calcium compound is reacted with HCl. It is provide one type of a gas. That gas is extinguishes our the candle, and as well as it will be, yes, suppose you take HCl here. Yes, diluted HCl here. This is only the equation. There is a calcium chloride in the forms, and as well as there is there is calcium hydroxide is combined with this calcium chloride. Yeah, this is not the equation. Yes, calcium carbonate is combined with the our HCl. Okay, now it will be forms as. Okay, now yes, it's a convert as a CO2 gas will be get for us. It is a CO2 gas will be get for us. The gas name is a CO2. Here there is name will be get for us. Calcium chloride. Yes, maybe like this equation will be get for us. Maybe will be here we have to balance our equation. May get like this. Okay, clear or not, students? May tomorrow we have to go with this explanations. The calcium are combined. Calcium compound may combine with the what actually? Yes, our HCl, diluted HCl. It is a turns lime. Yes, water into the milky. Yes, and as well as it will be again converted as over there is whatever the carbon dioxide is produces, and as well as there is a maybe there is a H2O is also produces for us. There is a 2H and one more O is required for us. Okay, may you have to balance this equation like this. Yes, and when we sended this gas into the lime water, when we sended the lime water, is a here this is only the equation will be get for us. Clear or not, all the students? This when you take a calcium carbonate, yes, and that is the third think and discuss concept it is. I hope you are understood all. Yes, the third think and discuss concept, it is somewhat given. Yes, very clear information. The calcium carbonate is a combined with the HCl. It is a converted as a calcium chloride, and as well as the what carbon dioxide, and as well as the water. Okay, clear all the students? Yes, and here when we there is a what is there, carbon dioxide is there. You know very well already. What is the properties of carbon dioxide? The carbon dioxide have the property to turn off our candle light. Otherwise, it is the extinguishing that our candle light, and as well as it is a turns lime water into milky layer. Okay, now that is only the nature of carbon dioxide. That is, you write the chemical equation is like this. Clear? It is a balanced chemical equation only. Once check it out, the calcium carbonate is there, and as well as Cl. And there are 2 HCl, it will be formed as a calcium chloride, and as well as the CO2. One more is also there here like this. Got it? Yes? I hope you are understood. This is only the point of our think and discuss. Third point of a think and discuss. Got it? And now, next come to here, what is the common properties are there? Yesterday also we are how to go for this. What is the common properties are there in our acids and as well as the bases? Okay, when you go for acids, it contains somewhat common properties. Okay, now common property. There is a what now? Whatever these chemical properties are, we are considered. These chemical properties are different from that common property. Whenever you consider our acid, that is when it is undergoes the electrolysis process. Already yesterday we have discussed about HCl. Yes, how the HCl is formed as a compound. There is a what here H plus, that ion is become as H plus and the chlorine is become as a minus. In the form of ions, it will be contained in that particular compound of a substance. Yes, for this proof of this, for this purpose, you have to go for that experiment. One of the experiment. What is that experiment? We have to take here. You have to take here electrolysis process. In another mode, we have to take here. There is a one beaker of 100 ml. In this one, you have to take two graphite rods. And it will be taken as 2 graphite rods we are taken here like this, and simply you take HCl here. Here the 2 colored wires, 2 different colored wires you have to take for here. Yes, one is Yes, we are taken a green. Another one you taken as it is what actually? It is taken as what? Yes, a red color. And when you take it is a green color, yes, you take it is a green color. It is taken one of the green color white, and as well as you take a red color white. Here it is connected to the what? Actually at the middle it is connected to the one of the bulb. Okay na? And it is connected to the next one. It is connected to the one switch of a 230 volts. Okay, clear or not all the students? Here there is a bulb may be there. In this one you take it is as HCl. Clear or not all the students? Yes? And when there is a current is passes through the wires, and automatically the HCl is yes, whatever the H plus ions are there, yes, inside that our yes bulb, they are what provide current flow. Okay, from where? From this acids to this another electrode. These are what? There is our graphites are works as a what actually? The graphite rods are works as a electrodes. It is a very important for you. Yes, graphite rods are works as a electrodes. This is what we are taking. This is a diluted HCl we are taking. And as well as there is we are taking it to the bulb for the checking the current flow through the acid. Okay now? Yes, that is only we have to take here. And here the positive ions whatever the present in our yes HCl solution, that is only there is a what H plus ions are there. But all H plus ions are attracted towards the negative yes electrode. Okay, clear or not all of you? This negative electrode of a graphite. When there is a what from this positive electrode to it is a repelled and they move towards the what? They move towards the negative electrode. Because of this charges flow, the current will be get for us. Okay, you know very well what is the electric current. Electric current is nothing but flow of charges. Yes, there is a don't go for the definition of flow of electrons. Okay, now flow of charges is only called what? Electric current. It is also correct only. But not only the because of electrons, not only the because of negative charged particles only the current may be get for us. There is a positive charge flow also given. There is about our current flow. Here there is a what when the electrolysis process is going in this particular HCl solution, that is converted as H plus Cl minus, and because of that there is a due to this solution. The current may flows. You know very well. Which conduct the current? It is called what? Conductors. Okay, already you know very well about that. Insulators, conductors, and other semiconductors. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, which is allows the current through it. It is called a conductor. Which is the current not passes through it. It is called what actually? It is called insulator. Which is partially allow the current through it. It is called what actually? It is called which is the current when the current is passes through it. It is called conductor. When the current is a partial amount of the current, otherwise somewhat energy is provided to the substance, it is allow the current. It is called semiconductor. Understand all of you? In case it is not allow the current, it is called what actually? Insulator. Means what? When you take a solution in that one there is no ions, the current is not passes through it. In case it is a contain ions, the current is a passes through it. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, and we analyze which type of ions are present in this. That is only. Yes, tomorrow we will go with this experiment again once again. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, tomorrow we will go with this experiment once again. Why? Because we have to take a glucose and as well as alcohol and as well as HCl. There is a different type of solutions we have to take here. Yes, what is the different type of solutions are they are considered? Glucose, alcohol and as well as HCl. Once you take HCl, when you take HCl and it is what we have to take the two graphite rods for the electrodes purpose. And you take 100 ml of beaker. In this 100 ml of beaker, you have to take, yes, HCl, some amount of HCl, diluted HCl, and you take it to different colored electrical wires, and it is a connected bulb, and through this power source, any power source, automatically the bulb may glows when there is a HCl we are taken as a solution, electrolysis solution. Okay, yes, why it is, how it is. In case we taken basis, what is going on. Okay, now why it is not given a bulb glow for the glucose and as well as the alcohol. Okay, tomorrow we'll go with the remaining process by tomorrow. Thank you students, and be concentrated on our chemical properties. Once again, recall all the chemical properties and write all the think and discuss question answers in your examination. Okay, bye, take care. Tomorrow I will go with that explanations.